what I'm doing right now is taking out the factory bypass pipe. The way that they want you to mount the blow-off valve or the bypass valve would be from the top of the intercooler over to recirculate back into the air intake of the inlet side of the turbocharger. Well, when you do that, yeah, you're being emissions friendly and you're being 50 state legal and compliant, but a lot of people want that cool psh sound in between shifts and gears. So I'm opening up that circuit. This would be where you recirculate back into stock. So I'm gonna go ahead and cap that off with a 1.5 inch cap. Put that inside of there, clamp it down so it can never fall or suck through. And then that way on the front side of the car, the blow-off valve is right here behind the bumper is now open wide. So every time you shift gears, you do hear that sound, that iconic turbo blow-off sound.